How to book a workshop service appointment in Moiboo. Moiboo Workshop software provides a streamlined, customer-friendly portal for scheduling vehicle service appointments in a few quick steps. This guide covers both the step-by-step online booking portal process and internal booking entry. Online customer booking process step by step. The online booking portal uses a 5-step workflow. Step 1. Select date and time. Choose a date. Select your preferred appointment date from the available calendar options. Select a time slot. Pick an available time slot for your visit. For example, 10 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m. Each slot indicates remaining availability. Click Next to proceed. Step 2. Tell us your vehicle. Vehicle lookup. Enter your vehicle number, for example SMA12345, and click Search to autofill saved vehicle details. Manual entry. If details are not found, manually fill in. Make, for example, BMW. Model, for example, 320i. Year, for example, 2020. Color, for example, mineral grey. Fuel type, optional. Click Next. Step 3. What can we help you with? Select services. Choose all services required from the options provided. Regular servicing, warning light showing, noise vibration, aircon problem, battery issue, tires, accident body repair, other. Additional details. Use the description box to describe specific concerns or symptoms in detail. Click Next. Step 4. Your details. Enter your full name. Provide a valid mobile contact number. Email optional. Enter an email address to receive updates and receipts. Visit preference.
Select how you will receive your vehicle. Wait at workshop. Remain at the workshop while service is performed. Drop vehicle. Leave the car and pick it up upon completion. Need pickup. Request vehicle pickup service. Click Next. Review information. Check all entered details on the Your Appointment summary screen. Selected date and time. Vehicle information. Selected services. Customer name and mobile. Visit preference. Click Confirm Booking to complete your reservation.